Today we are doing some air fryer chicken quarters, and we have here about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and we have about a tablespoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of coriander, and a teaspoon of oregano. And we have a little mini food processor that I put about 1/2 cup of flour and the seasoning in and mixed it all together real good, and then I dump it into the rest of the flour and mix it up. Then we beat a couple of eggs and then pour it over the chicken quarter. And I just use the eggs, no milk or anything added to it. So we'll get the chicken quarters coated with the egg. Just roll it over and get it well coated. And then we'll add it to the flour. Now I'll roll it around in this flour and make sure it's coated real well with this flour mix. And then we're going to set it over in the plate. And we'll grab the other one and we'll do the same thing with it. After you get them both well coated with the egg and the flour mix, you'll set them both in the plate, and we're going to let it set there for about 10-15 minutes and let this flour soak up that egg. Okay, we've speeded up a bit to get through this and get it well coated. And we programmed the Meat Stick Mini and use it to monitor the internal temperature. I set the air fryer for 390 degrees, and I'm going to set it for 18 minutes. And I let them cook for about 10 minutes, and then I turn them over. Don't show it on the camera, but we turn them over, and actually we turned them over a couple of times. Well, I think the Meat Stick Mini says they're ready, and look at this. That looks really delicious, and they tasted fantastic. Well, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.